Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys 3 ways on how you can receive money on Payoneer. Now, if you find value in this video, please drop a like and let's get started right now. Okay, so first thing you guys, you want to log into your Payoneer account. Now, the first method is going to be very popular, okay, way to receive money on Payoneer. Now, which is you want to click on your name in the top right and you want to click on settings. And after that you want to click on profile settings, and now you will see here your Payoneer email. Okay, this email can be used to receive money. I believe this is you already know this, so just in case some people don't know that, you can receive money using your own email address you use to log in into your Payoneer account. Okay, so I know this is not going to work for a lot of people. Some people want to receive money from companies or individuals or someone who doesn't have Payoneer account. That's why I'm going to be showing you guys 3 ways on this tutorial on how you can receive money to your Payoneer. Okay, so like I said, you just need to copy this email and send it to your friend or to anyone to send you money. Okay, that's if they have a Payoneer account. Now, to another method guys, is you want to click here, it says get paid, as you can see in the left. And after guys you click on get paid, there are a lot of options here, multiple options to receive money. Now if you click here, for example, on the receiving accounts, then you will be able to request money using your own bank account. Now when you create a Payoneer account, there will be a USA bank account that will be provided to you. Like I said, when you create a Payoneer account, just click on it, and as you can see, you will be able to see the bank details like the routing number and the account number and the account type and the name of your bank account, which is the name you use to create your Payoneer account or your own name. Okay, now as you can see, you can use these information to receive money directly from big companies. Okay, this is only going to work if you want to receive money, from example, from big companies. You just need to give them the routing number and the account number and the account type, of course. If they ask you for a bank address, you can send them the bank address, but keep in mind this only payments for business transactions from business accounts are supported. Keep that in mind. Okay, this is not going to work if you want, for example, to receive money from your friend. Okay, you cannot send them your bank details, your Payoneer bank details so that you can receive payments. That's not how it works. Okay, so there is another way for that. I'm going to be showing you how you can do it in a few seconds. Now, but keep in mind that local transfer guidelines, like this account can be used to receive local bank transfers within the USA. Okay, in USDT, in dollar currency. Okay, via this network. Now, usually transfers usually take 1 to 3 business days. Okay, that's exactly how long it's going to take. So like I said, this can only be used to receive local bank transfers within the USA. Okay, so also the international bank transfers are not supported. Now I know this is not going to be beneficial to a lot of people. Now another way guys, you want to click again on get paid, and after that you want to click on request money. Okay, this is going to be useful for a lot of people who want to request money from people who don't have a Payoneer account or small businesses. This is really what a lot of people use, okay, on Payoneer. And you want to click on request money, and you will ask you guys for some personal information like your business profile, your government issued photo ID. I already submitted this government issued photo ID. You just need to take a picture of your photo ID, from in the front and in the back, and submit it here or send it here. And the business profile, you want to click here, it says submit. Now they will ask you guys for some personal information that you just need to enter here. They're not complicated or anything like that. So it says here select category that best describes your line of business. Just need to, for example, construction. For example, select the description that most accurately describes what you do. For example, I do construction. Okay, it doesn't really matter what you enter here. The goal here is to enable this feature on Payoneer so that you can start requesting money from individuals, from people who don't have Payoneer, so that you can pay using their credit card. That's exactly the purpose of this. Even if you don't have a Payoneer account, you can pay using their credit card or bank account to pay you. Okay, so after you add here after you submit the business profile, then you will have to wait a few hours, and then you will be able to request money by entering your own email address, and then you will receive a request on your email so they can pay you using their credit card or debit card. Okay, so that's exactly how, guys, you can receive money on Payoneer. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Just let me know in the comments. I reply to everyone, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial. Please drop a like and see you guys next video.